the same like the main headers you can say.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, good. So, so have you tried installation of the software also? Did you get chance? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Kumar. No, Kumar. Actually, installation process I was not able to do that. But then as
Okay.
Sheikh has, yeah, then I was just going. I mean, asking him if I have any doubts.
Okay, fine. So, understood. Okay. So, I would just urge you that do it, okay, as soon as possible,
Yeah,
because
sure, Kumar. Yeah.
I'm 100% sure you will have some doubts, okay? Because, see, I think, and second thing, yeah, are we going with the right pace? Like, because there are, like, are we, first of all, are we going at the right pace? You are able to grasp stuff which we are discussing in the trading?
Yes, Kumar. I feel so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sheikh is also there. Sheikh, do you have any comments?
I think there's some issue with the network, I guess, because
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
see.
I can see he is there. He was the first guy today. I heard him. I was able to hear him when he was in conference. Not sure he is right now there or not. Uh, I think so. She is not there because he is not able to respond to anything. Uh,
But I'm able to see him active. Let's see. Let's wait for another couple of minutes. Maybe he's facing some network
Login
issue at this
actually.
time. Yeah, he's logging now.
Yeah.
okay. Okay. Yeah,
There
Sheikh.
is some
So
internet.
I okay.
There's some internet connection.
Okay, so yes, Ashik, I was discussing. Did you people get chance to have a overview on the stuff we did yesterday or day
Yeah,
before?
yeah, yeah. Of course, of course.
Oh, great, great, great. So,
I was
Ashik,
working on the
like,
user. I was working on the user part yesterday, so I have one doubt actually. And we have interactor, and we have viewer, and we have the site administrator, and we have the server administrator, right?
yes,
So in this thing, I have one question actually. The thing is, for example, okay, the interactor license and the server. For example, if you are getting the license for the Tableau, okay, and the interactor license and the site administrator license will be in the limited, or it is how it is.
yes, it is limited. Yeah,
Is it? And for the viewer,
for viewer, it is it is. It is also having limitation, but it comes with 8 interactor licenses. Okay, so when you buy for $10,000,
okay,
okay, for each it you'll pay for server and 8 interactor licenses, and then for each license you pay around I think uh, for each license, irrespective viewer or whatever it is, we pay as per the quotation they have. So it's I think for each license they take around $250 something like that for a year.
oh, okay,
Yeah. So yeah, it's an expensive tool. Uh, yeah, it's very expensive tool. Yeah. When you go for the server, it's very expensive.
okay.
Okay.
So how you compare between the ClickView and this one actually?
I can give you analysis about all of them. I have worked on almost every piece of stuff, and I feel Tableau is far better in the development way. If you are not comparing the licensing, the license of the ClickView is around 6 lakhs rupees for the ClickSense, okay, and
Okay.
the server works around 8 lakh or something like that. So it comes to the bracket which Tableau server is already there. Okay,
Okay.
so the licenses are not much difference. The problem comes in Tableau, in ClickView, you have a document-based license system. So you develop one dashboard, and you can define it like you can make the user ID authentication through the database, like we used to do in our applications. You remember, like in application we have a table, like all
Yeah,
.NET
yeah.
application, yeah. So you do the authentication like that. So like that we can do the authentication in the ClickView, that we develop it in such a way that user ID is authenticated with the database. But that is not a very viable solution, and is not a very nice solution to use it in a environment, in today's environment, where we have so much integrated systems. Okay, so what I personally feel that ClickView lost an edge around a year, 2 year back, but they have come up with the ClickSense. So ClickSense is more like a Tableau. They are trying to develop a parallel system of ClickSense, which is for the competition of Tableau. But it is still not as per the mark, because Tableau is evolving at a faster rate. So it depends what you want. If you got the license, you will do whatever is there. If you are exploring, there is a lot of difference.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, Sheikh, so what I was discussing with Rashmi, that are we going with the right space? I don't want, so like the space of the training is fine for you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine actually. So I'm very
Okay,
much happy with this.
okay, then I think it's
So,
fine.
so one
Yeah.
more thing. So is it possible to change the timing in the evening actually? Evening is not possible for you.
I have to discuss because I have to
Okay.
see my calendar also. The evening at what time you are proposing?
Evening 8 to 10 also I'm fine actually.
Evening 8 to 10, okay.
Also it's fine.
That is the only bracket you have, or you want to do it little bit early? Is it possible to have it early? Around 6,
Yeah. So
5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, something like
5
that?
o'clock, no, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I'll be in office actually. That's the time actually.
Oh,
I'll be leaving home. Some
okay.
7 to 9 also fine actually.
Okay. So, okay. So it's nice that you, okay, fine, okay. So you don't have a traffic problems in Bangalore nowadays, huh?
No, we have.
Okay, fine, fine. I see, actually, I have to just check with the calendar. I will
Okay.
update Lakshmi on that part. And
Okay, fine.
and I think we also need to check with Rashmi also. I'm not sure how she is available. If she, yeah.
Yeah, actually, even I'm fine with the evening actually. March.
Okay, so Rashmi,
Evening time.
I have to just check my calendar. I can't see my calendar right now, but
Yeah, sure.
I will check my calendar, and I'll
Yeah,
let
sure.
the Lakshmi know, and if there is a change, she will update you. Okay. Meanwhile, we go ahead with the current model, which current calendar. I understand
Okay.
morning 7 o'clock is little bit difficult for all the IT guys, but it's
Because so much of commitments in the morning only.
yeah, I can understand well. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now going forward, I think we covered a lot of stuff, and there is few things which is not there right now in the document, which is the major portion is basically Tableau desktop. What I learned that we are going to cover that also, and now if you can see the uh, curriculum, we have done almost major parts. Okay, but one important part which is left right now regarding the server portion is basically how we are going to maintain this file destination server and public premium and reader, and how we are going to do it. So basically it's a interface. So this module speaks about how we can consume the Tableau reports. So overall, like at a higher level, you can understand this module is speaking about what are the Tableau reports and how you consume the output of the Tableau reports. Now coming back to the main problem. Okay, so if we remember, we talked about content, user group, schedule, tasks, status, and settings. We have discussed in detail about each of this section. Uh, we have not discussed this. Okay, so let me just discuss this portion, which is the only portion which is left. When you click on the mic account settings, this page opens. Okay, this gives you a high level about what is your user, what is your role, when you last signed, and what is your email ID. Then it gives you an analysis about what is the number of workbooks you have, what are the number of views you have, what are data sources you have, what are subscriptions you have. Okay, and then last thing is there, it is what is your name, what is your display name, what is your email ID. So these things is editable. You can change any day your display name, you can change any day your email ID, and you can change the password. Okay. Now when you clear all saved password, it will clear all the password which is saved for the not even the account, it also for the data sources. So if I have around 2-3 data sources linked to SQL, when you clear it, it will again ask you the password to save when you refresh the report. And then you are connecting clients, so you can basically manage those clients. You can remove those desktops which are logged in. Okay, and as we discussed, we can make the start page that I think we already discussed last time. Then the local and this portion we have discussed that we can make the specific language and specific local as per our requirement. Now coming to the main portion, which is the Tableau report. If you let me open one of the reports. So let me open one report which I published last time. Okay, so you can see this is one of the report which we have seen that. This is basically a survey report which we developed for a newspaper to see for 2-3 regions which English or Hindi newspaper is basically having a better coverage. So this is about one small analysis which is there. Now now we will discuss what are different features available in order to see the report. Okay. As we remember, we already discussed the Tableau file which is being published can be of two data type, two formats or file extensions. One would be TWB, another will be TWBX. X means package. Package means that whatever the data sources you are using, it will combine that package file with the TWB file. So TWB plus the data sources combined together in a single file is equal to TWBX. You can publish any of them, TWB or TWBX, and we have seen how we publish that report over a site. Site could be of anything. What can be different for the different clients. Okay. Now here you can see from left to right. This is undo, redo, revert. Undo is basically when I click on these reports, okay, and navigate from default to 2-3. Like if I have some filters, let me just open a report with the filters. Okay, so see, you can see I have a report, I have filtered it. Okay, so you can see this portion is enabled now. So if I undo this, again this filter is removed. Undo, if I do again redo, it is just like undo and redo which we get. When I do revert, it again moves to the back portion. But if I do something like this, and I do revert, it takes to the first position. Okay, So basically, it's just a fast forward. The revert takes you the first position of the report. So by default, where you started, you will go there. Undo will take you only one step before to the current position. Okay. Now refresh. Refresh means that if in a case you have these data tables, these reports linked to the data source. So let's see, this graph is coming from a database table. Okay, let's say the database is Microsoft SQL Server. So once the data is refreshing every 30 minutes or half an hour. So you have a new snapshot in your table. So if you want to see and refresh the data, you click this. It will refresh the page with the latest data value. Okay. Pause is basically to pause that. Okay, the reports is getting refreshed. Okay, but I don't want myself to see any new data. I want it to pause it. Okay, so now when you pause it, even you do any operations, anything, okay, you can see the analysis is static. Okay, it is not working on. If I do again resume, it is blank. Okay, so basically it holds your analysis. Whatever is there on the web stays on the web. It will not change your analysis. Okay, now this portion is done. This is the favorite. So when you click on this, it becomes your favorite. Okay, so you can click on this and you can see your favorites are there. Okay, now this is my original view. So now you can make this view. So this is your original view and you can filter anything. Okay, and you can make like this, that okay, let's say we do it for recent years. So if you have 4 5 analysis, okay, you wanted to change the filter every time and then do the analysis. Now you don't want it to be done every day, correct? So you want system to be available, so that you just want to make sure that you just bookmark the filters. Okay, so that like this is my one of the filters. Okay, this is my original view. So if I click on this, automatically it goes to the first view. Okay, so you can see everything is selected. So if I want to select this thing, I can just do and do this setting change. When I click on this, automatically it will uncheck the office supplies. So like that, we can create our views for our regular reports and save it there. And whenever we want to log in and see the report, we can connect that, and that customized view can be made as a default page of our login. So like that you can do those stuff. Okay, the manage is basically you. Now I understand. Okay, it's not required, I can delete this. Okay, now the second portion is subscribe, which we already discussed, that we want to subscribe for what time, and on email we can subscribe for entire workbook. We can send it to view. So if a view is empty, it will not share. Now edit is one thing which we discuss later. Okay, this will be the last point which we discussed today. Today for this portion. Now the share is basically there are two codes. One is embedded code So if you are planning to incorporate the charts in the website, this portion is there. Let's copy and see what it is about. Yeah. Uh, so this is the code for the basically the embedded code. You can see it's a JavaScript and it's